Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing the bike and all needed tools on a stand. Gather a 5 mm hex wrench, crank puller, torque wrench, chain tool, and grease. Shift to the smallest chainring and remove the chain using a chain tool. Place a rag under the work area to catch grease and parts. Inspect the new chainring for teeth direction and BCD markings before touching the crank. Confirm bolt types and keep a small container for bolts and spacers. Loosen and remove the crank bolts using a 5 mm hex wrench. Thread and operate the crank puller to extract the crank arm from the spindle. Keep spacers, washers, and chainring orientation noted for accurate reassembly. Remove the old chainring bolts and separate the chainring from the spider. Clean the spider and bolt threads using a rag and degreaser to remove grime. Inspect the spider for wear or bent teeth before proceeding to install the new chainring. Place the new chainring onto the spider with the directional arrows facing forward. Install chainring bolts and snug them by hand to hold the ring in place. Tighten bolts progressively in a star pattern using a torque wrench and set to 8 Nm. Reinstall the crank arm onto the spindle and secure the crank bolts to manufacturer torque. Refit the chain and check chain line visually for alignment. Shift through gears and test under a light load to confirm smooth shifting and no rubbing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.